Hello, and a warm welcome to our comprehensive guide on starting a dropshipping business in 2024 with the help of ChatGPT. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll unravel the secrets of setting up a successful dropshipping venture, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and more specifically, ChatGPT. We'll begin by understanding what dropshipping really is and why it has gained such popularity. We'll delve into the inherent advantages of this business model, such as the low overheads, flexibility, and scalability. But it's not all rosy. We'll also shed light on the challenges that come along, like dependency on third-party suppliers, unpredictable shipping times, and slim profit margins. Once we're clear on the basics, we'll guide you through setting up your own dropshipping business. This includes understanding the legal requirements, choosing a profitable niche, finding reliable suppliers, and building an online store that converts. Our focus then shifts to ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI technology that can automate and streamline various aspects of your business. We'll explore how ChatGPT can handle customer inquiries, provide support, enhance user engagement, and even automate tasks like order processing and refunds. Next, we'll equip you with proven strategies to market your dropshipping business. From SEO and PPC to social media marketing, we'll cover it all. Plus, you'll learn how to leverage ChatGPT for creating compelling product descriptions, engaging blog posts, and persuasive marketing copy. Towards the end, we'll guide you on scaling your operations, using analytics to make informed decisions, and tips for long-term success. We'll discuss how to maintain relationships with suppliers, stay ahead of market trends, and continuously improve the customer experience with ChatGPT's evolving capabilities. In conclusion, we'll recap the key points discussed and leave you with actionable steps to start your dropshipping journey. So stay tuned and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Remember, the future of dropshipping is in your hands, and with the right tools and strategies, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe or follow for more insightful content on e-commerce and technology. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.